Adhering to the call of Eastern Nagaland's People's Organisation ENPO to abstain from taking part in Lok Sabha election 2024 by the letter, the 6 districts of Eastern Nagaland on Friday recorded nil voting percentage as citizens remained indoors and polling stations were left empty. Apart from the extraordinary display of absenteeism, no untoward incidents were reported. Out of Nagaland's total 13.25 lakh voters, the 6 districts in Eastern Nagaland, namely Tuensang, Samator, Kifere, Noklek, Mon and Longland account for 334,124 voters. According to data shared by the Chief Electoral Officer Nagaland, the approximate voter turnout trained at 4 p.m. in all the 6 districts across Eastern Nagaland was recorded as nil. Reports from polling officials across Eastern Nagaland also highlighted that none turned up to vote at the 738 polling stations spanning across 20 assembly constituencies. Even the 20 MLAs of the area refrained from casting their votes, it was learned. Residences of Eastern Nagaland legislators were cordoned off by volunteers of respective tribal organizations to avoid any law and order situation. In Kifere district, the day passed off without any untoward incidents as citizens kept to their homes. Similarly, in Tuensang district, the 80 polling stations reported a complete absence of voter turnout. The same scenario was witnessed in districts of Mon, Longleng, Noklak and Shamator. The decision to abstain from participating in the electoral process stemmed from the Chen Moho resolution enacted on February 23, 2024, not to participate in any central and state election while pressing for the realization of the Frontier Nagaland Territory FNT demand. In a public notice, the ENPO had also called for an indefinite total shutdown with effect from 5 p.m. of April 18 all over Eastern Nagaland jurisdiction. On Friday, Nagaland Chief Minister Nefurio affirmed that the state government does not have any problem with the NPO's demand for FNT as it has already recommended autonomous powers for the region.